Hey, I've got to be honest with you, the Panorama XL RTX 5080 is the kind of machine you feel the moment you power it on. This is for the kind of gamer or creator who has already lived through low FPS frustration, long render waits, and rig setups that feel like compromises. You're someone who recognizes when gear is holding you back, and you don't settle for that anymore. Before we go deeper, check the current price and stock so you know what you're aiming at right now. You knew it was time to upgrade the second your last system started choking on the games and projects you actually cared about. All those moments of waiting, watching loading bars crawl, it wasn't just slow, it was nagging at you, making you feel like your rig was always one step behind. Then you fire up the Panorama XL with its i9-14900KF and RTX 5080, and something clicks. The kind of click that tells you this isn't just incremental, it's a leap. Do you launch a game and the performance is immediate, smooth, breathtaking? Your multitasking feels effortless. Heavy editing sessions don't make you hold your breath anymore. In real use, this doesn't feel like numbers on a spec sheet. It feels like your commands are instant. Like every frame is exactly where it should be. Like you're finally in control. AAA titles run without hesitation. Creative suites don't twitch under pressure. Your whole workflow flows. And let me tell you, with systems like this, waiting on stock or price shifts is exactly when you see the worst regret. Don't sleep on this while prices jump or supply shifts. Maybe you've thought, do I really need this much? That doubt? It's normal. But it turns into clarity the moment you toss aside long load screens, lag spikes, and that gnawing feeling that your old setup was always on borrowed time. You'll realize what real, unrestrained power feels like. Here's a surprise most people don't expect until they own it: everything feels quieter, cleaner, more refined. That 360mm liquid cooling isn't just performance, it's peace of mind. The RGB feels right, not flashy, it feels earned. It feels instant. It feels fluid under load. It feels so right that settling for less feels weird. It feels like a system you can be proud of. If there's a downside, be real, a rig like this isn't cheap and it isn't minimal. But if you're here, you're not buying halfway. You're buying done. Stop circling specs and comparisons. At some point you just choose the thing you knew you wanted. The Panorama XL RTX 5080 is that choice for someone who expects excellence, not excuses. Check the current price and lock it in now while it still makes perfect sense. Make the upgrade you'll look back on and thank yourself for.